Okay, today begins our Great Wall tour, and here's the group that we're with.
Zao, Zao. Zao is like a Z-A-O, Zao. Just like the tallest building you have seen yesterday, you know, that's like a Zhong, Z-U-N. Always start with Z, Z-U-N. The last alphabet, so like a Z, Z-U-N. So we're gonna see Z-A-O, Zao. That is good morning in Chinese. You know, for the United Mama is like our dear mom. Mama is a mom. And qi is a qi ma. The second word is horse. So qin is a.
Okay, this is our Jade tour.
Okay, that's
yellow, and also we have the purple and the black. So first, remember, jade has many colors. They are all the natural colors, not only green color. But green is the most popular jade color. That's why people think jade is green color. Yeah. And also, jade has different qualities, and the quality depends on the hardness. The harder, the more expensive jade it is. Translucency. More translucent, more expensive jade it is. Then the luster, more shiny, more expensive jade it is. The color not depends on but the quality not depends on the color. We couldn't say the green color is more expensive than other colors. It's not like that. Yeah. And then I'm going to show you the soft jade first. Finally, I show you the hard jade. And we can see this. Soft jade always for the jade carving, and hard jade always for the jade jewelry. That's why jewelry more expensive than carving. Yeah. And then we can see this ball. This ball is the one he's making over there in the factory. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4 full balls. Not put in, no glue. This is carved by one piece of jade. And every ball moves inside. Yeah, they make it separate layer by layer. So here then I get one size between this, okay?
Yeah. The reason because I'm wondering, as we get old.
Maybe you can give me the bottom packet.
So we do not wear these for
the next
4
meeting.
days.
On the 22nd.
Should we keep them someplace special, like in our next to our heart?
I'm not carrying it around.
Okay.